Welcome to Avenir, one of the newest luxury new communities offered in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida. Let's take a tour of La Terre, one of the communities offered in Avenir. Hello everyone, Meral Ibrahim here, broker associate with Coldwell Banker Realty in the beautiful Palm Beaches, Florida. If you've been here before, thank you and welcome back. If you're new to my channel and want to learn about lifestyles, communities, and some real estate in the Palm Beaches, click on the subscribe button and bell so you'll be notified each time I make a new video. In September 2021, I introduced Avenir to my audience and focused on Regency at Avenir, which is a 55-plus community built by Toll Brothers. Today, I would like to introduce you to La Terre at Avenir. For those of you who are new to my channel, let me give you a quick overview of Avenir. Avenir is located on Western North Lake Boulevard in the highly desirable Palm Beach Gardens. Palm Beach Gardens is home to the headquarters of the Professional Golfers Association of America, commonly known as PGA, and each year hosts the Honda Classic, but is also a mecca for upscale shopping at downtown Palm Beach Gardens, an open-air, pedestrian-only shopping mecca, and the Gardens Mall set in exquisite decor. You will also find fine hotels and convenient proximity to the beaches. So getting back to Avenir, La Terre is one of the many communities offered. A Kay Hovnanian-built community designed for home buyers looking for luxury, diverse designs, and exceptional quality. It is a gated community of luxury single-family homes where you can choose from single-story and two-story new construction homes with spacious floor plans, elegant interiors, up to 5 bedrooms and 4,124 square feet of living space. The fees are estimated to be $432 per quarter, and there is a CDD of $3,500 that will be spread over 30 years and paid through your property taxes. In case you are not familiar with CDDs, it refers to Community Development District, and the fee is used to fund and maintain community infrastructure for the benefit of the residents. It is a very common fee these days with new construction. Avenir offers a spectacular 16,000 square foot clubhouse that is fully completed and open to the residents and includes tennis and pickleball courts, a resort-style swimming pool, fitness facilities, social gathering spaces, a cafe, 2 tot lots, a fire pit, and much more. A second larger clubhouse for homeowners living in Phase 2 communities will be built later. At La Terre, the homes include standard features that are actually desired, like beautiful trim details and design finishes. There are 3 models with 3 very distinct designer looks that you can tour: loft, farmhouse, and classic, and so you will know exactly what your finished home will look like at the time of purchase. The lot prices are $150,000 or $350,000 for waterfront. Let's take a full look at the models. The El Senor is a 2,854 square foot one-story home with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage, starting from $999,995 plus your lot premium. The Hartwell is a 3,095 square foot one-story home with a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, and 3-car garage, starting from $1,024,999 plus your lot premium. And the Lucerne is a 3,276 square foot one-story home with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and 3-car garage plus your lot premium. There will be a total of 92 single-family homes in La Terre at Avenir. This master-planned community will total 4,752 acres and will include 3,900 homes. There will be a working farm at Avenir and more than 2,400 acres of conservation and preserve areas. The community is approved for 400,000 square feet of retail space, 200,000 square feet for medical uses, more than 1 million square feet of professional offices, and a hotel. It is getting more and more difficult for home builders to develop new communities in Palm Beach County as land becomes scarce and the inventory of single-family homes in the Palm Beaches continue to be scarce. If you're in the market for new construction, La Terre at Avenir could be a good option. And there are several other communities in Avenir that I will be releasing on my channel soon, so stay tuned for those options. And remember this, something I mention in all of my new construction community videos, and that is you need representation when purchasing new construction. It is critical whether buying new construction or an existing home, but especially when buying new construction. Many buyers believe it's a good idea to not have a real estate agent and to use the builder's representative. The thought process behind this real estate myth is that it can save you money, which is simply not true. What you're doing by working with the builder's representative is working with someone who is not representing you, but rather representing the builder. Having a professional working on your behalf can go a long way and save you lots of time, money, and additional stress. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was helpful in some way. And if you liked it, check out these videos. And don't forget to check out the resource library in the description. Everything is free. Thank you for your support. Hope you're having a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.